Here's a breakdown of how to correctly calculate loads for meter banks with 208 volts, 3-phase in and 3-phase out. When determining the load on each individual meter bank, multiply the amperage by 208 volts. Do not include the 1.73 multiplication factor at this stage, as you are dealing with a single-phase load for each meter bank individually. After you have totaled all the individual loads on the meter bank, to find the total 3-phase volt-ampere load, take the volt-ampere total and divide by 208 volts times 1.73. To reiterate, your method of calculating the load on each individual meter bank is correct. Multiply the amps by 208 volts. Do not include the 1.73 multiplication factor for single-phase loads. To calculate the total load for a 3-phase system, you need to 1. Sum the volt-ampere ratings of all the meter banks. Add up the volt-ampere totals for each individual meter bank. 2. You should multiply the sum by 1.73 to account for the 3-phase relationship between the line and phase voltages. The formula is total volt-ampere equals the sum of volt-ampere 1 plus volt-ampere 2 plus volt-ampere 3, and so on, times 1.73, where volt-ampere 1, volt-ampere 2, volt-ampere 3 represent the volt-ampere ratings of the individual meter banks. Here's an example. Let's say you have 3 meter banks with the following loads. Meter bank 1 is 10 amps times 208 volts, which equals 2080 volt-ampere. Meter bank 2 is 15 amps times 208 volts, which equals 3120 volt-ampere. Meter bank 3 is 20 amps times 208 volts, which equals 4160 volt-ampere. Therefore, the total volt-ampere equals 2080 volt-ampere plus 3120 volt-ampere plus 4160 volt-ampere, all multiplied by 1.73. This gives you a total of 16,125 volt-ampere.